So here's a great news and an awesome news to all the viewers and all the subscribers of TravelTech. So if you have been following my channel, you would know that I brought up a detailed review video on the Redtiger F17 triple channel dashcam just a few days ago, and probably a certain while ago I brought up a video on the Redtiger F7NT dashcam. So if you have been watching these videos and if you want to purchase a Redtiger dashcam, here's an amazing deal which is exclusive to all the viewers of TravelTech. So all you need to do is just head down onto the description, click on the link which will redirect you to the Redtiger website, and within the website you need to select the dashcam you want and just apply the coupon code, the discount coupon code, while doing the checkout. So as you're seeing right now, all you need to do is just write in the coupon code, that's TravelTech, TRAVELTECH, no spaces, and as soon as you do, you get a straight up 1660 rupees discount. That's about 1700 rupees straight up discount for any dashcam you want to buy from the Redtiger website. Following that, just fill up your personal details, delivery address and payment specifications, and then you can go ahead and buy the dashcam with a cool close to 1700 rupee discount simply because you're a viewer of TravelTech. So this is an exclusive discount coupon for all the viewers of TravelTech, and if you're watching this video and had a plan to purchase a Redtiger dashcam, this is the best opportunity for you. So based on the current prices, the Redtiger F17, which comes at a price of about 17,490 after the discount of 1660 rupees, will come down to a price of about 15,830 rupees. If you're planning on buying the Redtiger F7NT, the touchscreen dashcam, after a discount of 1660, you will get it at a price of about 13,830 rupees, which generally comes at a price of about 15,490 rupees. You can also purchase the newly released Redtiger F4 4K dashcam, which generally comes at a price of about 11,490, and after a discount of 1660 rupees via the TravelTech coupon, you will get it at a price of 9,830 rupees. So simply amazing and a fabulous discount to all the viewers of TravelTech. If you're planning on buying a Redtiger dashcam, make the most use of this opportunity to grab yourself your favorite dashcam and save yourself a lot of money. So if you like this video and if you like the coupon code which I just brought up for you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I bring such amazing videos. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this, you can always write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.